Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us. Hip hooray!
Let's learn the alphabet together. Get ready to meet each letter and their fun friends. Let's go. A is for alligator. The alligator swims silently through the swamp, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. B is for bear. A big brown bear searched for honey in the tall trees. C is for cow. The cow in the meadow chewed grass while watching the butterflies flutter. D is for dolphin. A playful dolphin leapt out of the water, making a big splash. E is for elephant. The elephant flapped its big ears to keep itself cool in the hot sun. F is for fox. The sly fox sneaked through the forest, looking for something to eat. G is for giraffe. The tall giraffe stretched its long neck to munch on the highest leaves in the tree. Ch is for hamster. The tiny hamster ran as fast as it could on its spinning wheel. I is for iguana. The green iguana basked in the warm sunlight on a tree branch. J is for jellyfish. A glowing jellyfish floated gently in the deep blue sea. K is for kangaroo. The bouncy kangaroo carried its baby Joey safely in its pouch. L is for lion. With its sharp claws and strong paws, the lion is the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. A mischievous monkey swung from tree to tree, chattering excitedly. N is for numbat. The tiny numbat used its long tongue to catch tasty termites. O is for octopus. The clever octopus used its tentacles to open a jar and grab a tasty snack. P is for pig. The pink pig rolled in the muddy puddle, enjoying the cool splash. Q is for quail. A mother quail led her fluffy chicks across the grassy field. R is for rabbit. The fluffy rabbit hopped through the garden, searching for fresh carrots. S is for snake. The slithering snake hid under the rocks, waiting for its prey. T is for tiger. The fierce tiger roared loudly in the jungle. U is for unicorn. The sparkling unicorn galloped across the rainbow, leaving a trail of magic behind. V is for vulture. A vulture soared high in the sky, searching for food. W is for whale. A gigantic whale spouted water high into the air as it swam through the ocean. X is for X-ray fish. The tiny X-ray fish had a see-through body that made it look magical. I is for yak. The furry yak climbed up the cold, snowy mountain. C is for zebra. Stripes make the zebra look unique among all the animals in the wild. Great job, kids. Now we know our ABCs. Keep learning.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing